The real deal with affiliate marketing. Hey there. So, you've probably heard all the buzz about affiliate marketing, right? The idea of earning passive income while you sleep sounds pretty dreamy. But let me share my experience and give you the lowdown on what it's really like. Picture this. It's 6 a.m., and the sun is just starting to peek through my curtains. I'm scrolling through my email, half awake, and I see it, a notification that I just earned $50 in commission while I was dreaming about, whatever it is people dream about, flying unicorns, maybe? I was like, whoa, this is incredible, and let's be real, who wouldn't want to wake up to a little extra cash, right? That was the day I fell down the rabbit hole of affiliate marketing. But hey, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Sure, the idea of passive income is enticing. I mean, who wouldn't want to make money without clocking in hours and hours? I jumped in thinking I'd just set up a few links and watch the commissions roll in. Easy peasy, right? Fast forward a few weeks. I had my blog set up, social media accounts thriving, but guess what? Crickets. No one was clicking on those shiny affiliate links. It felt like I was pouring my heart and soul into this, and for what? A big fat goose egg. But here's the reality check, my friends. Affiliate marketing isn't just about slapping links on a website and waiting for riches to flow in. It's a hustle, a marathon, not a sprint. You've got to build a connection with your audience, create valuable content, and then, maybe, just maybe, you'll see those commissions rolling in. I started investing time in understanding my niche and what my audience really wanted. I brainstormed blog posts, created helpful guides, and shared my authentic self. It took time, but the more I engaged with my followers, the more they trusted my recommendations. Fast forward again, and those notifications started becoming a regular thing. Of course, there's still work involved, creating content, promoting it, and keeping up with the latest trends. But you know what? It felt less like a grind and more like sharing my passions with a community. Now, I won't lie and say it's all rainbows and butterflies. There are ups and downs, and sometimes commissions dip unexpectedly. But that's part of the game. I've learned to diversify my income streams and not put all my eggs in one basket. In the end, affiliate marketing taught me resilience and creativity. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's about building something that can give you that sweet, sweet passive income over time. And honestly, the journey has been a blast. So, if you're thinking about diving into affiliate marketing, remember this. It takes work, patience, and a lot of learning. But the rewards? Totally worth it for those moments you wake up to surprise income. Just keep hustling, stay genuine, and have fun along the way. Stay curious, stay authentic, and keep hustling.